Do you want to try it with your finger?
No.
So today we have Kate's first food.
It's just rice, Moses.
It's just rice, Moses.
It's just
Says Mommy. Here's Mommy. Here's Kate's, unsuspecting of what is coming to her now. Yeah. All right. Mommy prepares the spoon. Moses watches from a distance. Okay.
Goes in your mouth. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Uh-huh. You like it? That's very good. Yeah, you just take the spoon. That's good. Yeah. Moses, that was very loud. Interrupted our meal. I want some more. Oh, you should get some more. It's just the bottom of the spoon now. Here, let's turn it around.
She won't let go.
More? Oh, what's that?
He likes bubblegum.
Mm-hmm. She does
He
seem to like it.
He likes some butter with a big chop.
Is that good, Kate's?
Do you want some, Moses?
No?
Oh.
He's going to have a big chomp. He wouldn't like it. I think he don't like it.
A little more? Mmm.
I think he's all done.
Pretty good?
Pretty don't like it. I think it's a little...
Let's you take it.
I think he does like
Fingers
it.
in it?
Keeps not, he does want to bite. I think he's a little not to... I think he don't want to. I think he don't want to. I think he don't like it. I think he don't like it.
That sound says coffee is ready, Kate's.
Yeah.
What is this?